So I'm going to do a quick review today on an item that I just purchased. Had no clue, never heard of Buckeye Optics. They make a picatinny mounted ring. They make quite a few different ones actually, which look very much like the Leupold Mark IV at a bit of a reduced price, about 40% less, depending on where you buy the Leupold, certainly. And Leupold Mark IV rings are fine. My standard run, I do Badger Ordnance Max 50 on everything. They're real heavy. Badger Ordnance Max 50 adds 1.5 pounds to your rifle-ish. But you can pick up an aircraft carrier with them, so, you know, they're tough. So I said, well, you know, I'll give these Buckeyes a run because they came from the factory in what they call their FDE, dark earth finish. And I just bought a POF, and in the, what they can call their burnt bronze. And, God, as you can see, they seem to be exactly the same finish. The only thing that I note between the two of them different is the POF has a little more sandblast to the finish. The Buckeye Optic is a little more polished finish, but color-wise, identical. So the Buckeye comes in this box here. Everybody knows how to open a box, so I didn't do an unboxing. They come individually sealed in these heavy-duty plastic things with a little card that says unlimited lifetime warranty, they'll fix it. Recommended torque setting for the titanium bolts here. The cross bolt not to exceed 60 inch-pounds. And the cap screws not to exceed 20 inch-pounds. So I bought these on a whim, mainly because of the color, and came, you know, looked on YouTube for a review on them and found nothing. So I decided I'd do a little review for you guys. I took a micrometer out and spec them against the Leupold Mark IV rings. They're almost identical. They do have a captured thread down here at the bottom where it's not bored through like a cheap Chinese or model or whatever. These are American made. I think I paid $50 delivered. Bought them on eBay. An amazing value. I actually think that these are a little bit better in quality than the Leupold Mark IV. And I know I'm going to get some feedback about that because everybody thinks Leupold Mark IV's the bomb. Okay, great. Leupold Mark IV is good, and they know it, and they charge. So, and, you know, whatever. You know, if you really want Leupold Mark IV, knock yourself out. What I'm wanting to put out there is I think that these Buckeye Optics are every bit as good as the Leupold Mark IV rings, if not better. For me, it was nice. They came color matched to the gun. And I mounted a Viper PST 1:4, which this review is not on the Viper PST, but I can tell you that that optic is amazing. For its price point at $500, wow. You get a lot of scope there. Glass clarity is pretty darn nice. Gives you the ability, with a second focal plane, the reticle doesn't change when you move the zoom from 1 graduated up to 4. But it does give you some nice, either Mills or MOA, they sell it both ways. And then they do sell it both ways, either capped or uncapped. But so that's it. Give the Buckeyes a run. That's a heck of a nice set of rings for $50. You can bet that price is going to go up in the future as they realize that they're giving away their product. Thanks.